Very short point involved, my lord. Our contention is before the Gram Panchayat concerned for revocation of the sanction plan which they have sanctioned in my land in
In your
respect
land?
of someone else. I have a portion. I'm admittedly the owner of a certain portion of a land in respect of which sanction plan has been sanctioned, construction plan has been sanctioned, and I have prayed for cancellation of that sanction plan because they are making construction, they are creating third party rights. I have filed a suit which is going on, and I'm enjoying an injunction. And this application is for cancellation of the sanction plan because it is admitted position that they have obtained the sanction plan by practicing fraud, and my lord, fraud vitiates everything.
No. The sanction plan was 1021 is your land or their land?
One, 2/7 part, that is a part of an entire land.
2/7 part.
My lord, one Monmothonath is the original owner who died leaving behind 4 sons and 2 daughters and wife. Thereafter, the son.
Where is a copy of the sanction plan?
The sanction plan is
They probably for the private respondent, I guess.
They have the sanction in their favor.
They must
They
give me to the sanction plan.
Where is the copy of the sanction?
Lord, may I come back on the next day, my lord? With the copy?
Why not today?
What brief, my lord? Clerk has not reached the court.
नहीं तो बहुत मुश्किल.
I'm praying for the affidavit in opposition, my lord.
My lord, prior to that, I need to praise for my identity models.
Let's see what is there in the plan and what is their contention. We do not have the brief. Who will conduct this case on behalf of the private respondent?
Mr. Ashim Kumar Raut is here.
Okay, tomorrow. Parties have been served, all these parties?
All the parties have.
You are representing all the private respondents?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calcutta, not today.
May I take back the everyday service, or should I keep it? Yes, I'm filing.
No, keep it tomorrow.
Wait.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. The my lord, the fact is that, my lord, the petitioner participated in a selection process in the year 2000. The selection process, the advertisement was published in the year 2013, my lord, and 14, my lord, the examination was held, my lord. The admit card is at page number 15, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, the admit card was issued, my lord, and the petitioner was given the examination, my lord, written test, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, till date, my lord, no result, no panel was published, my lord. I have some paper cutting, my lord. After filing of this writ petition, my lord, I have collected, my lord, not in my hand, my lord, right now, my lord. I will file on next date, my lord. That, my lord, the Panchayat Somiti members and the local some people, the authorities of the Panchayat office, my lord, publish on record, my lord. They have published that they will circulate the panel. They will publish the panel soon. Till date, my lord, no panel has been published, my lord. I have submitted several RTI, my lord. I have they are written. Kindly come to page number 16, 19, 20, 21, my lord. My lord, only innocuous prayer, my lord, let there be elaborate report, my lord, filed by the state, my lord. What is the problem they are facing, my lord? Why they are not publishing the panel? What is the problem, my lord? They are several times they have declared that we will publish. But till date, my lord, it is been more than 11 years, my lord. Let there be a report by in the form of affidavit be filed, my lord.
Who is for district level selection committee?
Yes, my lord.
Who? State.
State, my lord. Absolutely state.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities to publish the result of the examination held on 9 February 2014 or the post of Gram Panchayat Kurmi for a particular district.
One indulgence, my lord. In the RTI reply, my lord, they have accepted that the post is vacated. Vacant post are there, my lord.
Particularly respond number 2, district magistrate Purbo Bardhaman. Agent respond number 3 is बोलना particularly. Learned advocate for the petitioner, Mr. Swenso, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner appeared in the examination held on 9 February 2014. 2014?
My lord, 2014, my lord, ये public advertisement published in the year 2013, my lord, and examination given in 2014, my lord.
2014. However, no results have been declared for the post of Gram Panchayat Kurmi. However, till date, no such results have been published. He seeks that state be directed to furnish a report with regard to the
In the form of affidavit, my lord.
let's say a report in the form of affidavit. The
Deeply obliged.
state is that yes, state is directed to furnish a report form of affidavit within a period. File a report within a period of 2 weeks. A reply, if any, exception, if any, within a week. After 3 weeks, returnable motion. Yes.
My lord, the date may
3 weeks.
My lord,
The hearing returnable motion.
my lord, in the one identical matter was heard by your lordship on the last occasion, my lord. That
14th it will come up.
My lord, that matter is fixed by your lordship on 14th of August, my lord.
14th. 14th, 13th or 14th?
Deeply obliged.
It is affidavit of service. After 3 weeks under the heading returnable motion. Next.
My lord, item number 21, my lord. I'm for the petitioner, my lord. Deputy of service, my lord. This matter is pertaining to, my lord, tender process, my lord. The petitioner participated in tender process, my lord. Work order was issued in favor of the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner completed the work. Completion certificate was issued by the school authority, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner submitted the bill, my lord. Due bill, my lord. Till date, my lord, no bill has been paid by the authority, my lord. This is, my lord, after COVID period, my lord, when the schools are opening, my lord, the renovation of the school, my lord, the tender was floated, my lord.
Probably one of the matters have passed order.
Yes, my lord.
In item
Within
number
4
5,
weeks, my lord, your lordships pass that order, my lord. Within 4 weeks, the authority will pay the amount, my lord, and
who
dispose
appeared
of
for
the
the
matter.
state? State you have served.
Yes, my lord. I have served the copy, my lord. State is the only answering respondent. My lord, page 19 is the completion certificate, my lord.
What is the outstanding amount?
My lord, around 2 lakhs, my lord.
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs, my lord.
Then some amount has been paid.
Yes, my lord. Out of 5 lakhs, something, some amounts, my lord, that has been paid, my lord. Only 2 lakhs amount is due, my lord, till 2022, my lord. One identical matter was heard by your lordship on the last occasion, last week, my lord. Your lordship directed to the state authority to pay the amount within 4 weeks, my lord, and your lordship disposed of the matter, my lord.
Can you get hold of the person who is appearing for
Okay,
this
my
case?
lord. I will get the number.
It pass over রাখুন, এটা
My lord, in that case, my lord, can it be taken up at 2 p.m., my lord? My lord, I will get them, my lord.
If they have any instruction, then I can dispose it.
Yes, my lord. Yes. Deeply obliged.
অ্যাফিডেভিটের সার্ভিসটা রিটার্ন করে দিন আপনি। এটা 2টোর সময় রাখবেন একটু।
This matter, Mr. Devnaran Banerjee appearing for the state, my lord. He has not come, my lord. Due to this reason, I am praying for only not today.
My lord, there is some urgency in this matter, my lord.
Tomorrow,
Only I am praying not today.
unauthorized construction, private respondents have been served.
My lord. Affidavit of service, my lord, tomorrow then?
Not today. Deeply obliged, lordships.
At 23, my lord, I appear on behalf of the petitioner led by Mr. Pankaj Haldar. My lord, here is my
private respondent.
my lord, here is my affidavit of service. Only thing, my lord, consider of the representation. My points are, my lord, that this is an undivided land. The land classification is Bastu and Bandh. So, my lord, without conversion, my lord is very well aware, my lord, without, my lord, Rule 27, my lord, the panchayat, the panchayat, one minute, sir. The panchayat shall not, my lord, grant any sanction plan if the land is not recorded as Bastu or my lord, any other type of homestead land. Yes, my lord.
I have the
So, my lord, only
instruction I'm submitting. I have the conversion certificate as well as, my lord, the sanction plan
Well,
permission. My lord, kindly grant me 2 weeks time so that, my lord, I could bring those documents and file short affidavit, my lord, very short affidavit. I shall file, my lord.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, direction has been sought for upon the panchayat authorities to restore the original condition of the undivided Kali/agricultural land comprised within plot number 713/1306 and 713/1307, JL number 019, Mouja Shivpur district, South 24 Pargana. Mr. So and so, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the private respondents have undertaken construction without valid sanction plan. The land is an agricultural land, and as such, without conversion of the classification of land, no sanction can be allowed in respect of such land. On the contrary, learned advocate for private respondent submits that the classification of land has been converted and
My lord,
they have constructed
sorry, my lord, only one submission. Your Honor. There is the complaint regarding unauthorized construction. Just my learned junior, I heard from my learned junior, they have the conversion letter. conversion order passed by the BLR, issued by the BLR. My respectful submission before your lordship, it is settled law. Even the conversion, there is no dispute that the property is undivided. He is the owner, I am the owner. Law settled by the division bench. When you apply before the authority concerned for conversion, a consent is required from the co-owners. Even without taking any consent from the co-owners, if the BLRO issued the conversion certificate, division bench held that is not required to challenge. That is bad in law. Second submission before your lordship, even the construction sanction applied for sanction plan, that is also my consent is required when it is undivided land. So now I lodge a complaint before the jurisdictional pradhan. So now when a complaint has been lodged alleging the threefold submission, conversion that is not required to challenge, held by the my Lord Justice Devanshu Bosag in MAT 75 or 2025. So my Lord, these are, may I read my Lords? Only two pair.
No.
So now only delegate the matter before the jurisdictional Gram Panchayat. My Lord, this is prima facie, my Lords. The construction which has been made in violation of the statutory rules without sanction plan. If they can show two documents, I have no case. They have obtained the, my Lord, the conversion certificate or order from the BLRO with the consent of the co-owners. Second submission, if the sanction plan can produce before your lordship, I have no case.
My Lord, I am asking only these things. I am asking only these things to produce in record by my Lord.
No, that is delay tactics. They have,
violate-
because of that, we have not allowed to use my land.
How could I
My
bring
Lord,
those
this-
documents without an affidavit?
No,
my Lord?
affidavit, I only
Try to
prima facie.
understand what my learned senior friend is asking for.
My Lord,
Lord, how could I bring those
no,
documents?
so show me the code before this.
Let him file.
Yes, ma'am.
My Lord,
He also submits that no consent. No consent of the co-owners has been taken by the private respondents at the time of making application either for conversion or for getting the sanction plan. Therefore, the authorities ought not to have sanctioned or allowed the conversion.
also granted the sanction plan and should not be granted the sanction plan. That is the Justice Mantahel.
On the contrary, learned advocate for submits that the converted and the building has been constructed, the construction of the building has been undertaken on the basis of plan sanctioned. Seek to file affidavit in opposition annexing relevant documents. Let such within a week or reply.
My Lord, if I will look these two documents, I have no reply required. Only my Lord, that document I need not. If any.
Be filed.
My Lord, this is the only submission before you, since it is the allege of the unauthorized construction. I am the co-owner. I have not been allowed to use my land. So, my Lord, this instead of my Lord, this the short affidavit can be filed annexing those documents. I have no case. Let this matter will appear as a motion, my Lord. Kindly, this is my
Motion, returnable motion, it can be.
my Lord, this is the top. Because of that, only two documents. My Lord, kindly,
My Lord,
my Lord, no opposition is
You
required.
take 1 week time to file that.
My Lord, that affidavit, annexing two documents, nothing more.
Only 2 weeks, my Lord. Only
Why 2 weeks?
Only two documents is sufficient.
I'm praying you humbly
2
beseech
weeks.
your lordship only for
It's
2
not
weeks.
a matter.
It is short matter. I have no
Discuss
case.
with you, you say that conversion certificate and
Sanction plan is there.
these are the
Very
two
well. As your
documents. He
lordship may
says that
please.
no consent has been.
As your lordship may
Record my submission.
As your lordship may please.
1 week and reply if any within 3 days.
1 day. When I will get tomorrow, I will reply before your lordship. Well, two documents, only two documents. Conversion, sanction plan.
Reply দিতেই হবে না।
Lordship. Well, motion, my lord.
Returnable,
Returnable, my lord.
returnable motion on top.
Returnable motion.
টাইম
on
ইফ
top.
এনি রিপ্লাই দেবে 3 দিন 10 দিন হলো রিপ্লাই ডেট দাও রিটার্ন আমাউন্ট রিটার্নেবল
Returnable date, my lord. 28th of
20
20. My lord is only top. Malad is Kali.
শপ আছে বলুন
Top, my lord is Kali.
Top.
Grateful to lords. Grateful to lords.
আর স্টেট কে ডিরেকশন দিয়েছে স্টেট অলসো টু ফাইল আ রিপোর্ট হ্যাঁ স্টেট কে দিয়ে
State ছিল
একটা স্টেট কে ডিরেকশন দিয়ে দাও ফাইল
25 স্টেট ছিল তো
আমি তো state 25.
23
নেক্সট রাখুন স্টেট
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here the petitioner is a public trust, who is the petitioner number 1.
1
He-
to 7 you are 1 to 7
My lord, yes, respondent number 7. Private respondents.
private response
Lordship, petitioner number 1 is here known as the Tonua Madurga Hat Unnayan Samiti.
Just a minute.
Heart
My lord, one thing, my lord, preliminary objection. Perhaps, my lord, court fees has not been paid for all the petitioners. My lord, kindly ask them, my lord, whether proper court fees has been paid or not. Perhaps for only one it has been paid.
yes
Court fee দিয়েছে?
My Lord, I need to check it with the.
Check করে আজকে টাইম নিয়ে চেক করে
My Lord, can it be fixed at 1 p.m., my Lord?
আরে যদি তো পেমেন্ট না করা থাকে একটা সময় আসবে কি
not
My
today
Lord, I can check and come back and assure your Lordship.
কালকে দিন
Oh, grateful.
Check.
রিপ্লাই
দশ কি হয়েছে আর
But I undertake to deposit it by the course of honor tomorrow, my lord. My lord,
take it if it is deposited tomorrow we can take it
my lord, kindly, if it, my lord, sometimes next week, my lord.
next week on the prayer of learned advocate for the petitioner next Wednesday to
Next.
next Wednesday 24th
24th.
Tanua Ma Durga
কেন আলাদা হবে?
on Wednesday Mr. Bhattacharya
Court fee will not be relevant. It is by a trust, my lord. It is by a trust. The petitioners are a trustee, my lord. So, my lord, no, a trust is moving it, my lord. And the prayer is very innocuous for consideration of a representation. Brief to the
Take it up then, my lord. My lord, I don't know.
that is
I just
it is
wanted a
not required
clarification.
then
It's a trustee. So,
it is
multiple
not
petitioners to nahi. The court
trustee,
fee কোথা থেকে?
it's a somiti
No, it's a trustee, my lord.
take it দিন তো 24th to
ট্রাস্টিটা কোথায়?
25,660 তো দিলে না
হ্যাঁ বাবা
25,660
হ্যাঁ kindly takes page 30 to 65.
trust
This is the deed of trust, page 30, my lord.
as per the appellate side rules for this for trust it is a fixed court fees
My lord, fixed court fees, yes, a single. It's a common cause also, my lord. Right? The trustees are all, my lord, they have all, my lord, joined together for the purpose of espousing a common cause. The cause is, my lord, annexure P5, my lord, kindly takes page 100. Made a demand for justice. I am praying for, my lord, consideration and disposal.
it will go who is for the state
No, it's before the Pradhan of the Panchayat, my lord. Pradhan koto, respondent number koto. Pradhan is, my lord, respondent number 7.
what is your submission
Dikar hoy. Panchayat hoy.
না না আমি
He is the private respondent.
Pradhan has been served
Yes. Affidavit of service kothai? Now, Masan also.
I'm representing the private respondent.
No, Pradhan also.
No, not
Private respondent, what is your submission if this matter is litigated?
regarding that. Malad, this is the third round litigation.
Okay.
Malad, on two earlier occasions, Malad, they have moved writ petition in different determination by Shapun Kumar Ponda. Malad, that is
Upon is
Malad, the trustee member. Malad, before that, Malad, every time I have shown this order sheet. Malad, kindly see this once. একটুখানি একটা করুন।
কবে করে order দেখাচ্ছিস?
DLL কাছে কোনো ইয়ে করছে। Malad, you should see that this has been filed before BLLRO. Malad, this has been filed by আমার কাছে একটাই your lordship would see that it has been rejected, and after this the date of order was
yes.
Well, you lordship would see that this has been filed by Shapun Kumar Ponda. Kindly see the first page, last two lines. Claimed plot does not match with field verification. Petitioner does not possess the plot document produced do not match with the claim. The property over which they are claiming that they don't have any claim, that has been decided by BLLL. If they are aggrieved, let us accept that they are aggrieved. They have a different forum, perhaps. This is not the proper forum. This will be too higher for them. This is one. Second is that a title suit has been filed. A title suit has been filed. We have got injunction.
তুই কাদের হয়ে?
Private
Title suit, my lord, this is nothing but an instance of, my lord, an attempt to overreach the powers of the Honorable High Court. They moved it, my lord, after the petition being served, the writ petition being served.
What?
In any event, I am not on that. I'll clarify. Let my learned friend, my lord, conclude.
What is Schedule A in your
And my lord,
suit? In your suit, which is the Schedule A?
that in plot that I know. Schedule is same, but your lordship wants to see the claimed.
The subject land is 1504.
Yeah.
Whether that is part and parcel of the suit property or not, that is to
Yes.
be seen.
Yes, my lord.
So we
My lord, even if it is for the sake of assumption, my lord, kindly takes my representation at
let him complete.
very well.
My lord, that then my lord, I have to produce that claim before your lordship. I bring a photocopy. Or a scan.
You are a party in the suit.
I am
You have the
serve
copy of the
করেছে?
claim.
Service করেছিস?
কিন্তু এটা expert
Oh, it's an ex parte injunction. I think they're yet to serve. I don't know whether they have complied with Order 39 Rule 3 or not.
Tomorrow.
Can it be day after tomorrow instead of tomorrow?
Day after কি বার?
Friday.
Yes, yes.
Friday.
Friday.
শুক্রবার।
Oh, Friday.
Tomorrow. I'll get it.
Yes.
He will have some difficulty tomorrow.
Tomorrow at 2 o'clock, my lord?
2 o'clock.
তাহলে দুটোর সময় রাখো। এটা 2 PM এ করো।
কালকে রাখছে তো বুঝো। আমার instruction এ কিছু নেই, my lord. I say even if, my lord, in teeth of these orders also, my lord, my writ petition, my lord, this will not be a bar, my lord, for entertaining my writ petition. Because my complaint is, my lord, pertaining to unauthorized construction. For that, my lord, the regulatory body is, my lord, the Panchayat, under the Panchayat Act. I am praying for, my lord, consideration and disposal of my representation.
One thing,
And whether any appeal has been filed before the tribunal challenging the BLRO's order of
But I need to seek instructions for it.
tomorrow 2 p.m. এটা রাখো।
রিপোর্ট আছে, রিপোর্ট আছে,
কালকের মধ্যে ইনস্ট্রাকশন নিয়ে আসতে পারবে?
দুটোর সময় তো কালকে।
বরুণ বাবু এটা 2 p.m. tomorrow. Yes. Thank you.
Great.
25.
My lord, item number 25, I'm for the petitioner.
What the state?
My lord, on a plot of land, my lord, a building has,
Where is the affidavit?
my lord, the affidavit of service, I have missed it. It is served, my lord, it is in my car, my lord, kindly passes it over, I'm bringing it.
Okay.
Or I'll undertake to give it, my lord, kindly here's the matter.
Pass over.
Then kindly keeps it at 2 in that case. My lord.
Why 2? It is now only 12:10.
My lord, then I'll just bring it in 10
Bring it.
minutes. I mean 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yes.
26.
May it please your lordship, my lord. Beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner. Service the affidavit of service. Affidavit of service to them. May I file the affidavit of service, my lord? My lord, there is also a
Shantanu Mitra is appearing for the state. He's in court number 35.
Ask him to come.
there is also a supplementary affidavit, my lord. Serve করেছে ওদের উপরে? But may I seek, my lord's kind leave, my lord, to file the supplementary affidavit. Workout করেছিলাম, কোথায় গেল সেটা?
Pradhan has not been served. Pradhan has not been served.
প্রধান served হয়নি?
It is out of delivery. Track consignment does not show it has been served.
But I am sure by now it has been served, and, my lord, essentially, my lord, the grievances against the, my lord, the executive officer, Gaighata Panchayat Samiti. I understand, my lord, the issue, my lord, has also been resolved because they said that for the purpose of running, I have a weekly heart. I am one of the co-owners. My lord, I have the trade license. Now they say that in terms of, my lord, the Panchayat Act, I have to seek for a permission also, my lord, from the Panchayat Samiti. So I apply for that permission. In the meantime, my lord, for several years, my lord, the permission was not renewed. I tender my apology and I make an application that kindly give me the permission. It is a permission essentially, my lord, for running of heart. My lord will find it. It is rule 57, my lord.
Rules 2004 of Panchayat Act.
কি করছো ভাই? রুলস কি দিচ্ছ?
Administration rules.
Which rule?
My lord, I'll tell you, lordship, my lord. My lord, may I come back tomorrow, my lord, with this also? The affidavit of service and the supplementary may be taken under কালকে রাখছি। আমার নোটটা হারিয়ে গেছে যেটা ওয়ার্কআউট করেছিলাম।
Not today. Huh? Both sides present আছে সবাই?
Or both may be taken up at 2 o'clock, my lord. But these may be kept on record, my lord. The affidavit of service and, my lord, the supplementary affidavit.
Tomorrow we
Very well, very well.
দিয়ে দাও। Tomorrow 2 p.m. এ দুটো পরপর রেখে দাও।
এটা রাখো অরিজিনাল রুল। Grateful. আমি ওয়ার্কআউট করে আমার নোটটা
এনে দেখো। রাখুন না। Who is for the petitioner?
Well, item number 27, I am
Not
for the
27, 10.
Lordship, item number 10, I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, allegation under section 6, Lordship. And there is a love affair relationship, Lordship. As per my instruction, Lordship, medical was also refused. I'm in custody for 50 days, Lordship. If your Lordship permits, I will like to show some photos, Lordship.
Is it possible to
The service report, my lord.
charge sheet has been
Page,
filed?
charge sheet not yet submitted, my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
The page 33 is relevant, my lord. The case diary, my lord, which is the 183 BNS's statement of the victim girl, my lord, who says that she was abducted and raped.